Hi guys. So I'm new to the YouTube world, and last week I posted my first video, and boy did I get feedback. I was told you need to show your face, you need to talk to the camera, you need to make them longer, you need to explain your journey, let me live my life. My husband and I bought a fixer-upper cabin, and we're always working on projects, doing a little at a time, as much as we can. And we're starting to take more videos and more photos for the kids so we can document, so they can see befores and afters. And they help a lot also. So we think some of the projects are pretty cool and we want to share. And I'm a little sad that we've done so much and we don't have a lot of videos or photos. We did take here and there a few shots, but it's come a long way. But I know also that there's a lot more to do. So we hope to share our journey and we hope you like it.
Look what we did. When you walk into the cabin, one of the first things you'll see is the light fixture hanging from above. It's an old weathered beam that my uncle found, I think, on the side of the road. And he thought it was kind of cool looking, so he picked it up and brought it home. And then he asked me if I wanted it for a project. Of course, I said yes. And one day I pulled up my driveway and it was sitting on my front porch. So we brought it to the cabin, and it was the perfect length to fit above our dining table. And we just hung it up from the ceiling using rope and wrapped some Edison bulbs around it. And I know it's simple, but we love it. Reminds me of him as well every time I see it. And these are fresh flowers the kids picked from the property.